Angles and arcs. A inscribed angle is an angle whose vertex is at the center of a circle and whose sides are radii. So in this example here, angle CEF is an inscribed angle. Angle HEG is also an inscribed angle. Oh, excuse me. All right. The central angle separates a circle into two arcs, a minor arc and a major arc. And so, for instance, if we have this inscribed angle or central angle CEF, the minor arc would be arc CF. The major arc, we use three letters. We say arc CHF. Right? So every inscribed angle or central angle has a major arc, the arc with a larger length, and a minor arc, the arc with the smaller length. And if you have an arc whose major and minor are the same length, then we call that a semicircle. Right? And in that case, the endpoints of the arc lie on the diameter. Like here we have arc ADB is a semicircle, and also arc AB is also a semicircle. Right? Okay, so that's our vocabulary. Let's look at some examples. Here is GJ is the diameter of circle K. Identify each arc as a major arc, minor arc, or a semicircle. Then find its measure. Oh, we didn't go over that. So over here, if we have this arc AB, the measure of the minor arc is less than 180 and equal to the measure of its related central angle. Okay. So if this angle here is, let's say, 120 degrees, then that means that the measure of this minor arc AB is equal to 120 degrees. And now here we have the major arc, and the major arc is greater than 180 degrees, and it's equal to 360 minus the measure of the minor arc. All right, and we can find the minor arc because it's the same as the measure of the angle, the central angle. So the measure of a semicircle is 180 degrees. Okay, so let's go ahead and use that information to solve these. So we have arc GH, and that's the minor arc, and that's going to be equal to 122. And so notice here that we have 122 degrees, but when we talk about the length of the arc, right, the measure of the length of arc GH, it's 122 units. Right? And here we have arc GLH, which is the major arc, and that's going to be equal to 360 minus 122. And so that is going to be, let me break out the calculator, 360 minus 122, 238. And then we have GLJ, and that's a semicircle, because the endpoints G and J lie on the diameter. So that's going to be equal to 180. Oh, I'm sorry. We're supposed to identify all of these also. So this one here would be the minor arc. This one here is the major arc, and this one here is the semicircle. So we're going to go ahead and solve these problems, and I'll go over those in the next video.